Hey guys, welcome to Grace Automation and Engineering Services. In this video, we are going to discuss the communication of MySQL database with Siemens PLC. Here we shall be transferring the integers and booleans between MySQL and Siemens PLC. So here are the tables from which we shall be communicating to the PLC. Here first table is controlling the booleans. So coils in the PLC will be controlled from this table. Here we shall be controlling the button 1 and button 2 for different IDs, and then we shall be writing the integer values from database and reading those in PLC. Similarly, we shall be writing the booleans from PLC. Here we shall be writing the coils and displaying those in here in this table, and similarly we shall be displaying the integer data of the PLC here in this table. So let's start testing. Here for the integer data, we shall be reading this address here against the ID 1 in display 1. So let's write some value here. Let's see 25. Here we shall refresh the page. So here we can see that 25 has been written here. So now let's write the value in second address. Let's say 36. Here it will be written in this field. So let's refresh the page. Here we can see that 36 is written here. Similarly, let's write some other value here. This will be displayed here. So here we can see that it's displayed. Now let's discuss the booleans display. So here we'll be displaying the coils written from PLC. Here the first 3 coils will be displayed in the first row of the table. So let's change the values. Let's turn on this and this one. Let's modify the values. Here we can see that the coils have been written. So these here we have turned on the first and the third. So here the first element and third will be written here. So let's refresh the page. Here we can see that these are displayed here. So from here we can display these on our website, and similarly we can control the booleans and integers. Now let's test the control. Observe the controlling of the boolean values from database. So here in this table we shall be controlling the coils. Here from button 1 of ID 1 we shall be writing the coil 4, this 0.4, and from button 1 and 2 of the ID 2 we shall be writing the coils 5 and 6. So write a coil here 1. So here we can see that this coil has turned on. Similarly, let's turn on these buttons. So here we can see that these coils has turned on. So now let's write the integer values here the input 1 of the ID 1 will be written at address 5 here, and these 3 values will be written from address 6 to onward. So let's write the values. Let's 56. Here we can see that 56 has been written here. Now let's write some value here. Here we can see that here 85. Now let's write something here, and then finally here. So here we can see that data has been written into the PLC. So in this way we can control and monitor the data of the PLC over the website. If you want to have an industrial application like this, control and monitoring over the website, you can contact us on the email mentioned. So thanks for watching. See you next time.